Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Y'all know who it is. It's none other than Rage Occasion. Got a small tool haul for you tonight. So, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna talk too much, but be right back with you. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and bought these Caliper Hangers from JDTco. If y'all interested in any of his products, I will drop his link down in the description below. These are some nice quality Caliper Hangers. You can never have enough of these things. They are multi-use stuff. You can get one set for like $9, or you can get two sets for like $15. Well worth the investment. So go over and check them out. These do feel like metal inside here under the casing, and they do have the black protective caps. But that's all from JDTco. I'm going to stick the stuff off to the side. A couple weeks ago, there was a live stream from Lakes Automotive, and I won one of the prizes. It's not sponsored, but I did win. So I just want to give him a good shout out. I do have the pocket pry bar. Does not have the magnetic side. I don't know. We'll see if I can JB weld a magnet on there. It may work. May not. Who knows? It does have the shirt clip on it. Go ahead and open this little thing up. Wow. It is the round shaft. Nice little pocket pry bar. And last but not least, a set of Expert part number EO41635. It is a 10-piece 6.3H drive metric universal impact socket set. Set includes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We'll go ahead and open this thing up. Finally get rid of that box. The set does come on its own rail. You can get Expert, I believe, off of the Mack truck. It is a really nice set. Right, pop it loose. So I take the plastic off of it. Wow, they want to make sure this stuff stays in plastic, don't they? This set will get plenty of. Look at that! I pulled it right off the rail. I'll be right back with you. All right, welcome back. Like I said, it's 10-piece universal swivels, impact grade. Really nice swivel set. I like them. But nonetheless, that is my tool haul for this. For now, just a little bitty one. Not too many tools. But if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so it keeps you informed of all my videos. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job and you like the videos, so they can put out more of my content across YouTube. But until next time, folks, Y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beavers grinning, and we will definitely catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.